Hey guys, I'm Jen and this is my Gucci belt bag unboxing video. So I've kind of always been a little bit obsessed with fanny packs and belt bags, but it wasn't until becoming a mom that I really realized the value of being hands-free. And I mean, if you're gonna be hands-free, you might as well do it in style, right? Okay, so here it is. Let's open it. Okay, so here it is. It comes in this nice little dust bag, and you always want to make sure that you keep it in the dust bag when you're not wearing it, because if you leave it on a shelf or a table, it is going to collect dust and they can be really hard to clean, so make sure you keep it in there. Okay, so here is the bag. I love it. So this is the Gucci Ophidia GG Supreme Small belt bag. It's a bit of a mouthful. I'm gonna link it in the description for you guys if you want to check it out. So you can see here the two belt loops on the back, but obviously it's like super cute as a clutch as well, so you can always just carry it like this. But I will show you the belt. It comes in here. And because it is like an actual belt bag, the sizing is done the same way that Gucci does their belt sizes. So it's in European sizing, I believe. So this one is a size 75, which is a little bit confusing, but they have a size chart on there. Oscar's poking his head in. So you just put it through like that. There it is. And then you would just buckle it the same way you would a belt. You can put it right through your belt loops, or if you're wearing a dress, you can wear it around your waist. Doesn't really matter. There's like about 10 holes on there, so it's pretty versatile. You can do it in different styles. And you can even use it as a crossbody, like that, or around the back like that. Hands-free, I can do all the things. So Gucci is doing a bunch of different fanny pack slash belt bags right now. The reason I like this one is because it has like the signature double G print. So it has kind of like that vintage vibe, but it's still a new style. So it's super cute. Also, the size is perfect. There is a style that's really similar to this one, again with the signature print, but it's a lot smaller. It's actually described as a belted iPhone case. So I mean, it is like big enough for, I think, the 8 Plus or whatever the biggest one is, but it's not this wide. So this one definitely can fit a lot more stuff. Like, it's really spacious inside. You can see there's a little card compartment in there. You can fit a wallet, you can fit makeup, keys, whatever you need. And there's this really nice pocket on the front as well, which is actually like bigger than it looks. So that's really good too. And if you like gold like me, it's kind of nice to just have that extra detail there. So in terms of price, this guy here, $13.10. I mean, it's not totally crazy. It's a pretty good price point if it's like your first designer bag. Comparable is the Marmont belt bag, which is the same price. That one, of course, is the leather, so if that's something that you're looking for, definitely that's a good one. And same thing, it comes with like the belt, the leather belt style. So really good price for that. And those ones do come in some other colors as well, so if you're looking for something a little bit more than the kind of neutral vibe of this one. Oh, and another point in regards to like the belt bag versus the traditional fanny pack. I actually tried on some of the Gucci fanny packs with like the buckle as opposed to the belt, and they didn't adjust as small as I needed them to. So I do have a pretty small waist, so if you're in the same boat, I feel like this is a really good option because it can adjust super small with the different holes. And with this too, you always can take it to like a leather guy and have him like punch another hole in it if you need to. With the nylon buckles, I mean, you can only adjust it so small and then you're kind of out of luck at that point. So that's a really good feature with this one. The only, I guess, negative thing I would have to say about this bag is that it does take a few seconds to like do up the belt buckle, as opposed to like your traditional fanny pack that's just sort of like the clip. But I mean, other than that, I'm pretty much obsessed with it. So thanks guys for watching my first YouTube video. Definitely let me know what you think in the comments. If you have any questions about the belt bag, any comments, feel free to let me know. And if there's any other content that you want to see, let me know. I'm definitely going to be doing some hair tutorials. I've been asked a lot of questions about how I do the waves that I do in a lot of my photos. So that'll be coming up soon. And probably some nail tutorials because I do my nails myself. But yeah, let me know if there's anything you guys want to see.